As you can see from the name of the video, we're doing a review and unboxing of the Samsung Neo G8 4K 240 Hertz 32-inch monitor. This is the unboxing portion. The actual review of the monitor will be linked somewhere up there or down there, wherever the case may be. If you like the video or have any questions or just want to, engage with the video, notifications, subscription button, leave comment, even if it's an emoji down there, helps with the algorithm and stuff like that. So let's get into the actual unboxing of the monitor. Okay, so I had to re-record this because there was a double audio thing going on, so my apologies. And again, my apologies for the cable management here. Yeah, anyway, as you can see, we got the box here. This box came exactly like this in the mail. It was like completely, just plain. In most of the Samsung monitors, you have some sort of a design on the outside. Nothing. It just said Samsung Odyssey Neo G8, and that was it. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Now this is me talking here. So we'll go ahead and speed this up a little bit. Open it up. So I didn't give myself enough room, but I had the flaps on the side. Yeah, needed to do that. Anyway, we're gonna speed this up here just a second. Okay, so here we are back. Okay, so this is the instruction manual. Not really the instruction manual. It's an instruction manual on how to take the monitor out of the box. I don't know why you would need an instruction manual how to take it out of the box, but they give you one. Throw that to the side. The next thing we're going to look at is the circular round piece that goes at the end of the cap for the desk stand. Not you don't use that when you're putting it, on a desk mount. This is specifically for the desk stand, and we'll get into showing that to you here in a second. I never use those things on any of my Samsung monitors, so yeah, we're just going to toss that off to the side also. This is the Visa 100mm mount for the back of the monitor. So just in case you want to do a desk mount, or not a desk mount, but a desk mount, like a dual monitor mount or something like that, you would put that on the back of it. Little bit of a the screws for this are hidden. It took me like 45 minutes to find out where they hid the screws. I guess I should have paid attention a little bit more, but we'll get into that when we actually get there. So this is the chonky, the very, very chonky power brick for it. It did come with a Samsung branded DisplayPort cable. It's no different than any other cable that the instructions do say to use that specific cable for the monitor. It doesn't do anything different than the cable I already had for it, so I don't know why they would say to use that one specifically. Anyway, you have the cable for the block. You have an HDMI cable and a DisplayPort cable, and then the USB cable for hooking your monitor up for extra USBs. This is the typical Samsung monitor, that V thing that goes at the end of the stand. That thing is huge. For any desk, that thing is huge. It's a 32-inch monitor, so you would expect it to be big enough to hold the monitor stable and whatnot. And set it to the side. This is the actual stand for the monitor. The thing is huge. We're going to stop it right here after I take this off. Okay, so this thing right here, you see those little pieces of tape right there? Those are where the screws are at, just in case you're wondering. I would have expected them to put it in a bag or something, something that you could find in there. I took this thing apart like 6 times trying to find a bag that would have those 4 screws in them, but they were on the actual stand behind that tape. So if you're gonna get the monitor, that's where they're at. I never thought that they would be right there, but yeah. All right, so get to the actual monitor. It is a pretty monitor, by the way. That right there that just dropped, I was like, what the hell is this thing? That is actually for your cable management, so you can, have your cables all pretty in the back and whatever. And it just clips to the back of the monitor. It does have a like a gloss finish to it. The back specifically has a gloss finish to it. Makes it kind of look nice. Most of my monitors are black, but this one is white. I think that's the only color that it comes in at the moment. I'm not going to use that. It's on a mount that has cable management, so I'm not going to use that. So anyway, there's the actual monitor. Very, very big monitor. Most of my monitors are 27 inch. This one's a 32. This thing is huge. As soon as we can take the plastic off the back of it. Very, very pretty monitor. So you have one display port, two HDMI ports, your USB port for extra USBs, and your power cable on the back. It does have some LED lighting that is going on in the back that's very subtle when you turn it on. It has a matte, like they said in the when they revealed it, has a matte finish, so it does not glare at all. Very, very, very nice. It's a subtle curve. It's not it. Yeah, it's just a very, very nice looking monitor. Yeah, so after this, I hooked it up and put it on my desk, and we'll get into part two of the actual review of the monitor. There are some issues with this monitor that I ran across, and we'll talk about those in the next video. But anyway, if you guys again like the video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you want to follow my content, hit that notification bell and that subscribe button. It's free. Put comments down if you have questions about the monitor specifically. Any kind of engagement on the channel helps with the algorithm. And yeah, we'll see you in part two of this, where we actually review the monitor. Thank you guys for stopping by, watching. Have a good evening.